Adam Feuerstein, you're still neck deep in biotech earnings season. Let's talk about what's on tap for next week.
Yeah, Greg, before we get to next week's earnings, let me backtrack a bit. Most of the large cap biotechs reported second quarter earnings last week, and I'd say there was very little to complain about. Lots of the earnings beats and raised guidance for the rest of the year. On our chat last Thursday, I highlighted Aegerion Pharmaceuticals, which came through big time. They posted very strong sales and also raised guidance. Now, next week, we're going to hear from some mid-cap biotech stocks, including some controversial names that have been battlegrounds for bulls and bears.
Now, Ariad Pharmaceuticals reports earnings on Wednesday. What's the story there?
Yeah, TheStreet is looking for Ariad to post about $10 million in sales of Iclusig. That's its leukemia drug. Although the whisper number is probably in the low to mid-teens. Bulls and bears have been arguing about the Iclusig launch because prescription growth appears to be flattening out prematurely. Investors will definitely be listening to what management says about the drug's outlook.
On Thursday, we hear from Dendreon. That's always a controversial stock, right? Isn't that the truth?
Yeah, absolutely. Although lately the debate on Dendreon has been centered around the question of whether or not the company is going to survive. The focus here, as always, is on the prostate cancer therapy Provenge. Consensus for the quarter is $75 million. More importantly, listen for what management says about sales in the third and fourth quarters. Dendreon needs to significantly increase Provenge sales growth in the second half of the year to quell the concerns about the company's solvency.
Lastly, NPS Pharmaceuticals also reports on Thursday. This is an orphan disease drug stock.
Yeah, that's right, Greg. And orphan drug stocks have been really hot this year. For NPS, the focus is on the early launch of a drug to treat short bowel syndrome. The company has guided to having 200 to 300 patients on drug by the end of the year. So on Thursday, expect a significant update from NPS about the progress being made with the launch.
It's going to be a big week. Thanks a lot, Adam.
All right, thanks, Greg.